Alright, I'm out in the bee yard today. We're going to be installing a package of bees. There's quite a bit of bees flying around. Fine mist so they don't fly around as much. And I apologize for my sniffling. I got allergies pretty bad. Hopefully next year I'll be getting honey off of these girls. Maybe help me out with my allergies. Yeah, the post office kind of lagged, and this can is empty, so they were out of food. So I'm glad that they're home finally, and I got everything ready for them. Fresh jar of syrup. There she is. Oh, dang. Looks like the sugar syrup spilt on her a little bit. But she's nice and happy at the bottom, so she's good. Looks like they took good care of her in transit. I like these bees already. Up here. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's a grip of bees right there. Some of them are dead. Kind of sucks, but I blame the Postal Service for that. So I'm gonna have a lot of dead bees around for a little bit. It's supposed to be 2-day shipping, but I don't know, somehow they lost my package, and it took about a week longer, so it is what it is. I'm just glad the queen's happy and alive. Well, I don't know how happy she is, but she's at least alive. There's a good amount of worker bees. down the inner cover. Crunching bees. Sugar syrup. So I gotta get one of these towels off another one. You know what? Yep, sorry, I had to find one that matched. All right, so everybody's got sugar on them. Looks like they're all doing good so far. Sorry, I'm getting in front of the hives real quick, and I'll show you all what's happening right now. So I put a smaller entrance on them. Just so they can get established and easily defendable. So there you have it, brand new package. I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on with them and how well they're doing, and I'll post another video tonight about how much they ate out of that mason jar. That's about a half gallon. All the hives have them. I just have to assemble a couple more boxes to cover up these two. Or I'm sorry, there's two of them that don't have another brood box to sit on top. This one's just need to cover it again, and then I don't know what's going on there, but I'll figure that out too. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so that way you get a notification every time I post a new video, updates and stuff I'm doing. All right, later.